Hello friends. Today I have brought how to repair an electric induction cooker with no power error. The consumer brought this to my shop with the error of no power and not working. First I will give a brief explanation about induction cooker and its operation. In this cooking that relies on the principle of electromagnetic induction to heat up cookware directly, rather than heating up a cooking surface and then transferring the heat to the cookware. It's known for its efficiency and speed in cooking, as well as its precise temperature control. Electromagnetic induction cooking relies on the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction, which occurs when a magnetic field induces an electric current in a conductor. In this case, the conductor is the ferromagnetic material, such as iron or steel, in the base of the cookware. The magnetic coil, the induction cooker, contains a coil of copper wire underneath its glass ceramic surface. When an electric current flows through this coil, it generates a changing magnetic field around it. Cookware selection for induction cooking to work, you need to use cookware that has a magnetic bottom. This is because the changing magnetic field generated by the coil induces electric currents to flow within the metal of the cookware. Heating the cookware. The heat generated by the eddy currents directly heats up the cookware. The cookware, in turn, transfers this heat to the food that's being cooked. Importantly, the cookware itself gets hot, while the glass ceramic surface of the induction cooker remains relatively cool. Instant heat. Induction cookers can heat your cookware very quickly, often faster than traditional gas or electric stoves. This makes it easier for cooking tasks that require rapid temperature changes, such as boiling water or simmering. In summary, an induction cooker uses electromagnetic induction to directly heat compatible cooked items through the generation of eddy currents, resulting in efficient and precise cooking. It is a modern and efficient way to prepare food in the kitchen. First, I connected this to the main electrical track. No indicator light on the cooker. It is clear that there is an error here. Let's see how to set this up step by step. After opening the cover of this cooker, the accessories can be seen like this. All in all, we can see the display panel and touch switch circuit related to the front part. After that, you can see the induction coil and the power supply circuit below it. And here you can take care of the cooling fan used for cooling the induction coil and the circuit. When I checked the power supply circuit here, the first thing I noticed was a rather large 1 ohm resistor. It looked like it was probably buggy. When I checked the readings between the pins of the Viper 12 IC, which is the output IC, with a multimeter, I found that their readings were very faulty, short circuit reading. I found that the resistor mentioned earlier was also damaged, open reading. All other parts were checked with multimeter, but nothing else was found to be faulty. I removed the damaged parts and got a new power IC and a new resistor and installed them. Look at this picture, this is very important. After adding a new switching power supply, before connecting it to the power supply, we should take a 75-watt filament bulb and remove the supply fuse from the circuit and solder the bulb to the two terminals and then connect it to the power supply. Because if there is any error here that we don't catch, we can damage the newly applied parts again. In this way, when electricity is supplied using the bulb, if the bulb lights up once and then goes off, the power indicators of the cooker light up and it works, then the repair has been done successfully. Then remove the bulb and install the fuse. If the bulb continues to burn, that means there is another fault in the circuit. Check the circuit again from the beginning. Do the above check before supplying electricity. There were no other such errors in my repair. It works properly. Please subscribe channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.